We were asked to make the car race car compliant. It's going to be used both on the street and also on a racetrack. So we incorporated a lot of safety features that you'd normally have in a race car.
It started with obviously bigger brakes in the front. We had to flare in order to put wider tires.
Gives us even more tire clearance, so we can mount that tire close to the outside of the body.
Added things like racing seat, 4-point harness, fuel cell, and then a lot of other safety features that we've actually built into the car.
We have a full roll cage all the way from the engine compartment all the way through the trunk.
I was able to get a Monte Carlo bar built for you. This will attach from frame to frame, and then we'll tie it into the roll cage in the car.
When you are building a professional race car that is both for street and track, then you have to take all of these things into account. How do you keep it compliant, but also focus on the safety and the comfort of the driver in all driving conditions?